How to make lead generation easy for real estate agents and brokers. The success of any business is dependent on how many customers they can attract. Oftentimes it is not just the customer itself, but one that will be a paying consumer for life. That is where quality lead generation comes into play. As a business owner, you must understand how to generate quality leads, and this video will teach you how. Make an offer to potential leads that is hard to refuse. This can be a discount, a giveaway, or some source of information that they've been dying to have. It needs to be relevant to them, or else you'll never get them to respond. Try a few different things to see what works best. Getting leads is important to your business. Consumers tend to consider an offer, search for more information about it, and then make the decision to buy or not. Do you need a pipeline of interested buyers and sellers on a regular basis? Stop using the same old customer attraction process the other real estate agents and brokers are using. Look into pay-per-click campaigns to generate leads. The first place most people go to seek business opportunity is Google. If you aren't on page 1 organically for the typical search terms they use, then you need to pay to be there. You only are charged if people click the ads, so it's an excellent way to simply build brand awareness as well. Look to affiliate marketing to generate leads and even customers. Why does all the work for leads when you can have others do it for you on commission? Affiliate programs are a very effective way of introducing your product to new audiences. In fact, you'll see a lot of content created around your product or service. That's very effective. Understanding how to separate a good lead from a bad one is key to your business success. The solid ideas from this video are a great start to help get your business off on the right foot. You don't want to be chasing around customers because you have bad leads. The tips here will help you get started.